Hello and welcome back to Jacubication. Today you're going to learn about indentation in PEP8. PEP8 is a style recommendation from Python about how to format your code. For a long function, break up the call or definition in one of two ways. Align lines after the first line vertically, or put no parameters arguments on the first line and then add double indents on further lines. Vertical alignment example, the parameters x1, x3, and x5 are all aligned vertically. Hanging indent example, you have the add 5nums function, no parameters on the first line, and then the parameters on the second line are double indented compared to the return statement later on in the function. Long conditionals, the recommendation is similar to function recommendation. Line up continuing lines vertically, double indents on continuing lines. The only difference in this recommendation is the first line is normal, you're allowed to put stuff there. No code examples for this. Look at conditionals example. Where to line up closing delimiter, one of two. First non-white space character of last line of multi-line thing, or first character that starts a multi-line thing. First non-white space character on the last line of a multi-line thing. The 7 is that character, so you line up the closing bracket with the 7. First character that starts a multi-line thing, that will be the n of the nums, so you're lining up the closing bracket with the nums. Closing point. PEP8 states itself, don't change style of existing codebase if it doesn't follow PEP8. Also, these are, above all, suggestions. If you're coding your own project, code in whatever style you wish. Ciao.